Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to download your notes in Evernote so you can access them offline right from your phone. So let's get right into it. First, you need to make sure you have logged in into your account in Evernote. If you haven't already logged in, you can sign in or log in accordingly. First, go to the notes you want to download. At the bottom of the page, you will find the option called notes. Here are all the notes that you might have created in your account. Now, in here, you can simply tap on a note you want to download and slide it to little left, and as you can see a download bar will come up like this, a green arrow facing downwards. You can simply click on it, and as you can see my note is downloaded. You can do it to individual notes as well to download as much as you want to view them offline. This way you will have a copy of your work on your own device, not on the Evernote app. You don't have to open your Evernote app every now and then. You can simply access it offline from your own device, and that's how you can download notes or access them offline in Evernote. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe for more helpful how-to's videos. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.